Did you know that your body already has a powerful built-in system designed to heal itself, stay lean, and even protect against serious diseases like cancer? In this video, we explore simple yet highly effective daily habits inspired by three legendary Japanese scientists who reshaped our understanding of health and longevity. We begin with Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Nobel Prize-winning scientist who uncovered autophagy, a remarkable process where your cells clean themselves and regenerate. Then we dive into the work of Dr. Takayuki Teruya, who studies the metabolic power of fasting, and Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, one of Japan's most respected longevity doctors. What is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's natural recycling system, a built-in detox that keeps cells clean and efficient. Think of it as cellular housekeeping. Without autophagy, our cells cannot survive. How to activate autophagy in daily life? Here are three Japanese longevity-inspired lifestyle and diet principles, backed by top Japanese scientists. 1. Intermittent fasting. One of the most effective ways to trigger autophagy is intermittent fasting, a practice deeply embedded in traditional Japanese lifestyles for generations. Inspired by Dr. Ohsumi's work, many Japanese researchers recommend a natural fasting window of 12 to 16 hours. Many Japanese elders intuitively skipped meals or maintained long gaps between dinner and breakfast, unknowingly supporting the body's built-in cleansing and renewal processes. 2. Hara Hachi Bu. The second principle is the traditional Japanese practice of hara hachi bu, which means stopping eating when you are 80% full. Rooted in Okinawan culture and supported by longevity research, this habit encourages mindful eating and gentle calorie restriction without malnutrition, allowing the body to enter autophagy. 3. Foods that support autophagy. What you eat plays a critical role in activating autophagy. The ideal routine includes a liquid breakfast of fresh carrot or apple juice, skipping lunch in favor of black tea with black sugar and ginger, and eating one solid meal per day. If this video helped you understand how your body heals itself, hit the like button and hit subscribe for more.